You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation. If you want to learn more English vocabulary of words that are confusing, stay tuned. We've got tons more coming up, meaning generous or forgiving. Magnanimous. Mus. The stress goes on the na syllable. So British and American English pronunciations are similar, so it's easy once you know. Pretty straightforward once you know magnanimous, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.